Hi everybody and welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking about this palette right here. So this one is Daisy X BH Cosmetics, which looks like this. Of course, this is how the packaging looks like when you receive it, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can get to see how the packaging looks like. So this is the palette, you guys. I just love the packaging, so beautiful, I think. And when you open it, of course, the lid comes off completely and you have all the beautiful shades in here. As you guys can see, this palette contains so many shades, you guys. You can create different looks with it. You've got bright colors, you've got oil neutrals, which I think is quite cool from what I'm looking at here. And of course I just love the idea of the packaging as well, because the mirror, which is this one here, comes off, of course, like that. You can just keep it in here, and of course it stays like that. So it's kind of clever the way they've done the packaging, I think. And of course, there we go, you can see ourselves there, which is quite cool. So this one comes off. We're just gonna leave it here for now, and let's just jump into the shades. So this palette contains 10 matte eyeshadows and of course 10 shimmers as well. So pretty cool. And I'm going to walk you step by step on how I created this look right here, of course, and then I'm going to be doing swatches as well. So should we start with swatches actually, and then after I'll show you how I created this look? Yeah, so we're gonna do that. So I'm going to go ahead and start swatching the matte shades, of course, which are the top ones here, and then I'll swatch the bottom ones, and then we'll go from there. So let's get started. So here you have the first 5 shades, of course, swatched. That's how they look like. So here you have the second row, of course, of the matte shades. So that's the second row right there, and here we have them swatched. So that's how they look like. Very beautiful colors, you guys. Beautiful colors. And I've used actually this one right here. Very beautiful. So here we have, of course, the shimmers swatched, and that's the first row of the shimmers. Of course, they look stunning. I really love this this green color right here. So beautiful. I've used this one in this look. Of course, it looks so stunning. And these two right here, they look almost the same, but they're not. They're very different. And right here we have the last 5 of the shimmers, of course, and that's how they look like. So beautiful, stunning colors, as you can see right here. So those 5 are, of course, the last bottom right here. I purchased this one from, of course, BH Cosmetics website for €24. It wasn't on sale. I believe it was on sale before, but of course not anymore. So I paid full price for this palette. Anywho, now I'm going to go ahead and of course show you guys how I created this look you see here, and then I'll let you know how good the palette is, of course, and yeah, we'll go from there. So if you're interested to see how this Alright guys, now it is time to sit down and give you my final thoughts of what I think of this palette right here. So to begin, can I just say that I love the packaging, I love the idea, I love the color, I just love everything about this palette because I'm quite happy with what I created today. And on top of that, the shades that I've used, I did not have issues at all. They blended beautifully, you know, no patchiness, nothing, zero zitch. It was beautiful. So the only thing I can say that some of the shades that I've used, they had fallouts, of course, but I'm not extremely mad because as long as the shades aren't patchy, you know, I'm okay with that. So yeah, and yeah, I just love the colors. I just love the selection that they have in here, and also I can see myself creating different looks using this palette. Of course, you know, you can switch it, you know, from day look to night look, you know, which is quite cool. And of course, in the upcoming videos, I will be creating some looks, different looks using some of these shades in here. I can see this yellow screaming my name right here. So I'm looking forward to, of course, using that one. So yeah, that's pretty much what I can say about this palette. I like it. Actually, it reminds me of, it reminds me of Take Me Back to Brazil palette, also from BH Cosmetics, which I think I have somewhere right here. Let's just have a look. So it's this one here. Do you guys remember this palette here? When you open it, so you can see how bright those colors are. Some of these from Daddy palettes, they do remind me of that, if you can see. So still side by side, you know. So I could easily create this look that I created today using Daddy's palette. I can create that using Take Me Back Brazil palette because, you know, the shades that I've used in here, I can definitely find them in here. So yeah, it's up to you guys, you know, if you have this one, do you need this one? But they're not exactly the same, just keep that one in mind. But of course, I went ahead and, you know, bought it anyway because number one, I just wanted to support, you know, my girl Dad. I've been watching her for a minute. I think she's an awesome YouTuber that I've been following for quite some time now. And number two, I just love makeup, you know. You can never get enough of makeup, you know what I'm saying? And it is a stunning palette. So yeah, I'm quite happy that I got my hands, you know, on this palette. Anywho, I think that's pretty much for this video, guys. I hope it's not too long. I hope it was useful. If you found it useful, don't forget to smash the like button. And of course, if you're not yet a subscriber, please do smash the red button, subscribe, join the family, and also do ring that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Anywho, I hope you have an awesome evening or day wherever you are. And thank you for watching. I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye for now.